much.
Alright. What am I gonna do without the
Junior!
You'll just have to
Here.
take it easy.
There's your plate.
Wait a minute, that voice! Oh my god! It's you!
Sammy!
You're the robber!
Guilty.
Huh?
Last night was something, wasn't it?
Oh, I know, we were electric together!
So let's do it again tonight.
Benjamin, Joey!
What are you doing, Linda? I'm getting this guy arrested.
No, we have to do the show again!
He robbed us with a gun.
Everyone, relax. It wasn't even a real gun. Fake. And currently in my other jacket, locked in the trunk of my car.
But he has to perform! This guy is the missing ingredient to my show. He's my garlic powder.
Yes, the man who robbed my restaurant is here right now. He's about 5'8", maybe 150 pounds. I'm bad at guessing weight, though, so...
Yeah, I'll say. Yeah.
160?
Oh, flatterer.
All right, 170. Call you back. You said the gun was in your car.
I lied.
What about it being fake?
Also a lie.
See? A lie can be a twist.
Since you did that, I'm gonna do this. Register.
Great, again.
Good luck tonight without me.
We forgot to give this to you. A little sorry we let the robber get away bucket.
You're doing it again. He just ran right past you.
Hold up, Papa.
The guy who robbed us just robbed us again.
Hold on. Can you repeat that, dispatch?
He's saying what I'm saying. The guy who robbed us, he just left.
We gotta go, Pop. The guy who robbed you was just out in the area.
Don't catch him, don't catch him, don't catch him, don't catch him!
Jeez. Julia packs a wallet.
Ah, you couldn't just let me have my dream, could you?
What? You mean because I called the police?
There you
The
go,
guy
Joey.
committed armed robbery, Lynn, twice.
You committed murder, Bob. Blew my dreams head off.
That's a little
Bob, because I used to be an
Not my dad.
Only 2 tickets left.
I didn't want to be your
The
dad.
show over
You
three
don't
people
like
have been
dad.
blabbing about. Final
I
performance,
don't
people.
want to
Do
be
you think
your
you're gonna
dad.
say your line tonight?
Don't you go to the
You know,
game?
a good way to beat the stage fright. Imagine the audience naked.
I already do that. I'm not never naked.
Everyone, all the time.
You know, I already told him to
Don't
stop
do
doing
that.
that because it's irritating me.
Well, try picturing the
I'm
audience
not
with
doing it
clothes
so I can
on
ignore
them.
him.
Like all their clothes?
Well, maybe just the condom
But
and a
I
hat.
want to sit here.
Okay.
Tonight's show is officially sold out. Packed house. You feeling it, Mom? Woo! Are you feeling it, Dad? Woo!
Yeah, who cares? The audience is expecting to be dazzled, but thanks to your father, we have no star. Let's just go do the version everyone hates. Who done it? Was the murderer the corpse delivery guy? Or was it the flower delivery guy? Or was the murderer the shifty butler? Wrong. The murderer was me. Thank you. Good night.
Hold on, I saw the show last night. Trust me, it's about to get good.
That's our show, everyone. Thanks for coming out.
Well, what about the you-know-who surprise performer?
Yeah, well, the show is what it is, so night.
I'll tell you what it is. It's garbage.
Okay, I'm then. Drive safe.
Nobody move. This is a robbery. I said sit back down, lady, or I'll shoot.
No! Show!
Garbage.
I don't want your money. I just want the money of the big shot who owns this place.
Ooh, way to commit, honey.
Boy, I thought we did better today. No. All right, here it goes. So I'm singing words to a song I'm making up right now.
Cause it's the singing that matters and not the song.
So it's up to me.
To sing and
That was great.
yeah, just go a
Huh.
little high.
Well, I nailed it.
A little high.
So you go higher.
Oh.
I think we can.
Everyone's gone.
Yeah, I think we can stop.
Play them out.
No, don't. I did it. Tina, take a bow, girl.
pass out.
Bob! Hey! Woo! Bob! I think you missed a spot. Never mind. That's just your mustache. Jimmy. Good one. At least I could grow one. You can't. Gene, Louise, how about a kaboom?
You can do better than that, Dad.
Yeah, step it up.
Okay, you do better. Give me something.
How about, I don't know, nice shoes, Jimmy? Do they make them for men too?
Alright, that's good. Hey, Jim. Oh, God, I hate Jimmy Pesto with his crappy food and all his customers.
Oh, forget about your silly rivalry for 1 minute.